I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Chipotle Copycat corn salsa. For this easy recipe, we need 2 cans of corn, red onion, jalapeno, 2 limes, cilantro, and salt. Super simple. So this canned corn, I already drained and drained it. So you just need corn without the liquid. And instead of canned corn, you can also use frozen corn that you defrost, or you can use fresh corn as well. And now I'm going to chop half a red onion. This is a pretty big onion. If you have small one, then you can chop the whole thing, but you know, for such huge ones, half is enough. So cut it into as small pieces as you can. And let's add red onion to corn. And now let's chop the jalapeno. So I'm wearing gloves for the jalapeno because the spicy peppers can really irritate your skin. So take out the seeds. And chop it into super small pieces. And now let's add chopped jalapeno to the salsa. And next I'm going to chop cilantro into very small pieces. So just the leaves, we don't need the stems. add chopped cilantro to the salsa. And finally, I'm going to squeeze 2 limes. So to squeeze the limes, the easiest way is to use a lime squeezer, or if you don't have it, you can just cut the lime into halves or quarters and just squeeze it like this with your hand. It's just, this little gadget just makes it easier. And finally, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to mix everything together and we'll be done. Perfect. Look at this corn salsa. It looks amazing, so fresh, so colorful, and so healthy. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love corn salsa. You know, you can use it as chips, or you can just use it as a salad like I'm doing. So good. It's so full of flavor, and corn, red onions, cilantro, jalapeno, and lime is such a good combination. It tastes amazing. I'd say it's even better than Chipotle. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!